Hello everyone, welcome to a video. I'm sorry for not uploading recently. I need to upload more. But today we're on Scratch. So this is my account, obviously, but we're gonna create a new project. So this is a tutorial on how to make a FNAF game in Scratch. So first you need an account if you want to save it, which I would recommend, because you're not going to finish it all in one thing, or in just one session, I don't think. So, you want to hit create, or you can go here and go to things. So, you create a project, right? Then you're going to delete the cat by hitting this button here. I hope that you know at least a little bit in Scratch. So, to start things out, we're going to go to the backdrops, and we're going to make a black backdrop for now. And there we go. Bam. Just a black background. So, now, what we need to do is we need to go to and paint a sprite, and we need to make an animatronic. So, I'm gonna do that now. I mean, duh. Okay, so, how I like to make my animatronics is I like to have a animal in thinking. So, kind of want to do a dolphin. So, we'll make a dolphin out from this color. So, we're gonna make sure we have an outline. And now we're going to make a dolphin. So, it's probably not gonna look a ton like a dolphin, but at least I'm gonna try. Okay. So I'm actually gonna get a dolphin. I'm gonna get a dolphin picture for reference. 1 second. Yeah, this is kind of more of a casual, non-hardcore one. Okay. There, we got dolphins. So, basically, I'm just gonna let's do this picture. Okay, yeah, we're not going there. But yeah, we just gotta get some dolphins. I spelled dolphins wrong. Okay. So, actually, you can name your game whatever you want. For this tutorial, I'm just gonna do one night, and then I'll have one tutorial for multiple nights. So, we're gonna go with one night at, well, you know what, we're just gonna call it that for now. One night at. So, gotta make a dolphin. So it's not really blue, it's more of a gray. So, I guess I'll go gray, because I don't know how dolphins look like. It's more of a light gray. There we go. This will be our dolphin color. So, we're gonna make that beak, basically. So, gonna make, this will be the beak, this will be like the head. So, now we're gonna go to this reshape tool, and we're gonna reshape it to look like their beaks. So they're skinny, so we'll go like this. And they're more like non-wide. So if it's coming out this way, then it would be skinnier, so like that. So we're gonna copy this and then paste it, and then we're gonna hit the flip to make like the mouth of it. And it looks like the white, it's a little lighter on this side, so we're just gonna have that small detail. But then we're gonna go here, and then actually we're gonna, before we group it, we're gonna make some teeth. I don't think they're, no, they are white. And we're gonna go down, I think, on the border, because we're gonna make these really small. So since it's a dolphin, we're gonna make our teeth pretty small. So what do they look like really? Okay, they're like a bean kind of shape. So more like that kind of, but like not pointy, more curved. Like all these are curved a little bit. Okay, so now we have their teeth. Now we're gonna copy and then delete it. I know that's kind of like, what? Why are we deleting it? But it will make sense. So we're gonna zoom in and then paste it. I just realized something. Oops. So we're gonna make it bigger and move it over. That's just, we're gonna do it, I guess. We're actually gonna make it even smaller than that. We're gonna go no thing. So now I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it a tiny bit smaller. And we're gonna copy and paste it. That's impossible to see. How? Oh my gosh, that's impossible to see. Is it that like that? Okay, it isn't like that. Okay. So we're gonna just keep on copy and pasting. Kind of just fit the teeth. Oh, and actually, I think we're gonna copy this. 1 second. And make it go back. Because, and then flip it. Because if you notice, there needs to be the mouth that like goes back. So we can actually go like that. It's kind of weird, if you know what I mean. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna delete this, sorry, and put this in the front. And this will be like a animatronic here. What? An animatronic mouth. Okay, so first we gotta put the teeth in. I don't know why I have to spam it, but I guess I just have to do that. Or group those, I guess. For now, since it's just gonna make it easier to copy and paste things. So So now we have to do that all the way around the black part. So I'm actually going to quickly just zoom out all the way. Okay, yeah, those are really small. I think we can definitely make them a lot bigger than that. So we're going to take all these and make them bigger. Ungroup these because we're editing this side. Yeah, now we're gonna move it in a little bit more. And now we're gonna go down. So I think I'm going to call the animatronic Dolphy. Dolphy the dolphin. I don't know. Okay, sorry, this is kind of boring process, but there. So now we have that part done. So I'm actually gonna move this in a little bit more because there's some black showing that looks a little bit weird. Okay. Now we have that. Now, what we have to do is I'm gonna move this out for a second. Actually, no, okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this, then delete it again. Then we're gonna group all of these teeth, and then paste. And then bring it back. I didn't realize that it was actually gonna do that, so there. Now we can grab all the teeth and copy those, flip, and if I can pick the teeth up, then that would be good. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the top teeth by going like this and backing it, and then moving this up. So I think I'm gonna shrink it a little bit. You know what? Just experimenting, so I mess up a lot, so okay, we're just gonna run this plan. Okay, so this is the beak. We got the beak done. So now what we need to do is we need to make some animatronic parts. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go. We're actually gonna undo that. We're gonna take this. We're gonna make a box. Then we're actually gonna go to here and do it. You have to do that, so then you can make the gradient. And this just makes it more like a mixed color. Put the border down a little bit. And then just make go like that, and then copy and paste it. So Sometimes you have to like extend it and stuff, but oh, gotta put it back. There, so now we're gonna group this, and then, okay, wait, hold on, we didn't group these. So we're gonna group that, and, okay, we actually cannot group this, I just realized. We actually group these and put them, shrink them a little bit. Put them there, and then we put this on top. I'm sorry, I'm just like kind of rusty on all this. These need to be shorter. Okay, so we need to make it go like that. So these are going to be pretty short, but when they extend, it'll look like that. There, so there we go. So we got our beak. Now we're gonna just group that up all that up. Might make it a little bit bigger. Or now, well, we might shrink it back down. Basically, now we got the beak. And that actually took a while. So we're gonna go pretty quick. So now we gotta do the head. Okay, it's more of a round head, so we'll go like that. And since this is not like a real dolphin, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have eyes on the front instead. And we're definitely actually not gonna make them black, I just realized. That looks stupid, so we're actually gonna make them white. Which I know is kind of weird, that looks super creepy. But we're gonna make some tinier ones with smaller borders. Not red, we're gonna make them like blue because of the ocean. I don't know. There, so now that looks scary, but not just like super like stupid and creepy. So we're actually gonna shrink this a ton. That actually looks funny. Oh my gosh. Okay, next we're actually gonna move this down and group each eye. Okay, now move this back up. Okay, next, so we got the head done. We're gonna go pretty quick on the other stuff. So dolphins are more like curved. I'm gonna see if I can make that. We're actually gonna get rid of that and make a circle instead. That more. Okay, I'm actually gonna get rid of that point. Okay, this looks stupid. What did I just paste? Oops. Okay. Tap on one of them, hit the curved, tap on them, hit the curved. Now we have that. We're gonna copy and paste this real quick. Make this ginormous. This will not end up being ginormous, by the way. We're gonna delete that, ungroup, delete, and then we're just gonna get one of these and go like that, hit back. There, so now we have the neck, and we need to do the arms, or the body segments. Move this guy up. So we're gonna go like this, that, then we're gonna go up like that, and then we're gonna go up this a little bit because there's no border, and that's, or well, there's a little border. Okay, now go like this, and like that. Wait, you know what? We're gonna delete this real quick and make a new one. Because it actually needs to be long. Sorry, wait, mouse wasn't really. Okay, now we can stretch it out. I didn't even realize we can do that. Okay. Now we have the arm segments and the leg segments. And we're gonna copy and paste this, make it smaller, spin it out, turn it down, put it to the back, and there we go. Now we have a line segment, or not a line segment. That's not a line segment. Okay. So we're gonna turn it like that. And then we're gonna group that. Put it here, back, copy and paste. And then we're gonna flip. Then we're gonna find just about the good spot that it was in. Back it. There we go. Now we're gonna copy and paste this again. And move it down. This is silly. Okay, now what we generally like to do is after 2, and we're going to copy and paste it again, ungroup it, make this straight down, and like that, right? And then we're going to reshape it to make it like a hand, or whatever you like, or whatever these would be like. So dolphins actually don't really have hands, so I don't know how I'm gonna. They're gonna be like fins, maybe. Maybe something like that. Or we can make it like this, kind of. Yeah, we'll go like that. But we'll make them a little bit smaller. Just because they're kind of bulky. Flip them. And... oh, we need to get that. Shoot. Shoot, no. Won't let us copy it. Then we're gonna put it back. Right? Stop sticking. Okay. Sorry, my mouse is sticking to stuff. Oh my gosh. This is so annoying. Okay. Now we're gonna paste. Grab this. Back it. We're actually gonna zoom in. Just because I don't want to deal with it being annoying. Okay. Now we're gonna copy and paste. Oh, and by the way, this is just a default pose. You can always change it. Actually, first, put that up there for now. So we're gonna just edit it to be like a torso. There. Be a tiny bit smaller. There, that's a good torso for now. Now we're gonna copy and paste. Bam, bam, bam. Back. Oops. And if you do that, something like that, just undo it, because you don't know what you might have messed up. Okay, now we're actually gonna shrink this guy a little bit. Nope. Right? We're gonna group him first, actually. Then we're gonna shrink him. And then we're actually gonna delete this because we shranked everything. Because we shrank everything else. Okay, we're gonna ungroup it now. Copy and paste. Flip back. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So we're actually gonna ungroup this now, because we want the legs to go down straight, just for now. Then we're actually just gonna group the whole entire, actually no, ungroup first. We need to make it even. It's a little uneven. Group, back, copy, paste, flip. Back. Now we just need the feet. So we're gonna, actually no we're not, we're gonna grab one of these. Because they're easy to grab. Bam, back, back, and now we're basically going to do the same thing that we've done for everything else, is take the same collar. Actually, this, since this is a feet, maybe it'll be a little bit more like darkened out and dirty. So we'll make them darker. Shoot, I wasn't on it, so they'll be a lot darker. Okay. So now we're making the shoes, or just like the feet. That's probably a good feet, or foot for now. Actually, you know what? We're gonna just make it a little bit more, like, just bigger in general. And we'll group that up. And make sure you put them back. I just only realized something. This is not in the correct position. There. So there you go. Now you made your animatronic that's creepy. Oh my gosh, that's actually terrifying. What kind of? Yeah, that's kind of terrifying. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video, and peace.